Hi, I am Dr. T.N. Kavita. Today in Kanitham Vasappadum we are going to see averages. The averages we know already. What is average? Average equal to sum of observations divided by number of observations. Sum of observations suppose we need to find means we just take the average into the number of observations. Number of observations we needed to find means sum of observation divided by average. Okay. So the average of two or more than two groups means if the number of quantities in two groups are n1 and n2 respectively and their individual average is x and y respectively, the combined average of two groups is n1x minus n2y divided by n1 minus n2. If the average of n1 quantities is x and the average of n2 quantities out of n1 quantities is y, the average of remaining quantities is given by n1x minus n2y divided by n1 minus n2. The average speed, suppose we need to find now, you just take suppose a man covers a certain distance at x km per hour and an equal distance at y km per hour, then the average speed during the whole journey is 2xy divided by x plus y km per hour. Suppose we need to find the average for natural numbers, we have some formulas for that. The average of first n consecutive natural numbers is n plus 1 by 2. The average of square of first n consecutive natural numbers is n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. The average of cubes of first n consecutive natural numbers is n into n plus 1 the whole square divided by 4. Next, we need to find the average for even numbers, means we have some formulas. The average of first n consecutive even numbers is n plus 1. The average of first n consecutive even numbers starting from 2 to x, where the last even number is x, then the formula is x plus 2 by 2. The average of square of first n consecutive even numbers is 2 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 3. Also the average of square of first n consecutive even numbers starting from 2 to x, where the last even number is x, then x plus 1 into x plus 2 divided by 3 is the formula for that. Okay. So next, if suppose we needed to find the average for odd numbers, we have some formula. The average of first n consecutive odd numbers is equal to n. Also the average of first n consecutive odd numbers starting from 1 to x, where the last odd number is x, then the formula is x plus 1 by 2. The average of square of first n consecutive odd numbers, that means 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square plus etc. Up to x, starting from 1 to x, where the last odd number is x, is the formula is x into x plus 2 divided by 3. Some quick methods to find the averages. The average of n numbers is x. If each number is multiplied by y, the new average is given by initial average into y. Okay. The average age of a group of boys is given if the new average age after a boy joins the group is also given. The age of new boys is given by age of new boy equal to new average plus number of boys initially into increase in the average. Okay. Some quick method again. The average weight of a group of person is given. If we replace a person in the group with another person and the new average is increased, the weight of new person equal to weight of the removed person plus number of person into increase in the average, that we have to put. Okay. The average of the marks obtained by students is given. The average of marks obtained by the passed student and failed students are also given. Then the number of passed candidate equal to total candidate, that is total average minus average of marks of failed student divided by average of marks of passed student minus average of marks of failed students. Using this formula we can find easily, simply. Number of failed students only we need to find. Na? Take this formula. Total candidates, that means the average of marks of passed student minus total average divided by average of marks of passed student minus average of marks of failed students. This formula we can use and simply we find the solution. Find the average of all prime numbers between 30 and 50. This is the example problem given. How to find? There are 5 prime numbers between 30 and 50, is it? So 31, 37, 41, 43 and 47. These are the 5 prime numbers between 30 and 50. We require the average. So just use simply add and divide by 5. We get the average of that 5 prime numbers. Okay. So next question. Find the average of first 40 natural numbers. We know the formula n into n plus 1 by 2 for first n natural numbers. Is it? So first 40 means n is 40. So n 40 into 41 divided by 2, that is 820. Therefore the required average is 820 divided by 40, that is 20.5. Okay. Find the average of first 20 multiples of 7. So required average for 7 into 1 plus 2 plus etc. up to 20. We can multiply by 7 na? So multiply 7 divided by 20. So the answer is 73.5. The average of 4 consecutive even numbers is 27 given. Find the largest of these number. So 4 consecutive numbers given. 4 consecutive number na next. Okay. Even numbers. So next even numbers. So x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6. 4 consecutive even numbers we can let. And take the total of the 4 and divided by 4 gives the average 27. They already given in the problem. So now x is 24. We need to find the largest one. So largest one that is x plus 6. So replace the x by 24 and plus 6, that is 30. So the largest number is 30. In the next video we will talk about problems on ages. And then bye. Thank you. See you again.